Good day and welcome to Waaseyaa. I'm going to take it for a spin using Codex here. It's very alpha 2.15 in fact. And what is it? Well, it's just a PHP framework, to put it plainly. But I have a prompt ready to go here to try out. This is my first run at it with an agent, just to try out a demo. This is my first take as well. I didn't even cross my fingers, but cross my fingers. What do we got? GPT 5. Let's try out 5. Why not? I don't usually use Codex. I'm usually in Claude Cowork and Claude Code. But okay, so we have medium reasoning. I only have a plus plan here, so I'll leave it at that. Yeah, so let's try and install and just see how long it takes start to finish and if it even works. Yeah, the fun part of modern development is sitting here and waiting, watching your agent output, drinking coffee. I'll create the stock Waaseyaa project exactly as requested, then inspect its own docs CLI before starting anything. Running composer create project. Waaseyaa. My app stability equals dev. So it is in fact a mono repo. If you care to look at the GitHub page, here it is. Exciting stuff. Up to 218, is that right? On my, now see, this is behind. Obviously that's not a live view. Not sure if it should be or not, but I gotta go remember to bump it anyway. Yeah, I guess with it, like, I don't want to bump it. All right, I'll probably skip back and forth in some of this because, wow, it's a lot of time to talk and fill for. I don't know how people do this for a living. I just don't know. I really got to read this site here that I generated. At least it's up. Does the doc assistant work? How do I add an entity type? Woohoo! It works. Well, not our Codex is still working on our first app over there, but at least the chat on my. I haven't QA'd it. I knew it worked. I knew it would work. It was supposed to work, and it did. But it's the first time I actually tried it. As to the quality of the answer, let's see. To register an entity type, command time down. Probably because I'm on Windows. I usually work out of WSL, Windows WSL though. Why did that time out? Why? That was a waste of a lot of minutes, I think. Where are we at? 4 minutes. Tool call had a 120-second time limit. Okay. It did leave a partial or possibly complete blah 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 directory with vendor The likely causes are ordinary blah blah latency. Well, proceed then. I wasn't paying attention over here if this was already up or not. I think it was, the entity system. Anyway, to register an entity type, use entity type manager interface, search the entity type system. from the MD file. Looks like my fences are off here. See what's going on over here. I'll clear the partial line I created and retry the stock with a longer ceiling. Great. It's a pretty rough first go. How about some output? Can we see output? Generating optimized auto load files. Now, back to exploring this. Wow, probably got to clean up those docs. Looks pretty rough. Sources that you can't click on. That's not helpful. Let's try this one. New chat. It wasn't today's system on that side. All right, we got some success over here. The stock project is created. I'm reading its README and asking Waaseyaa CLI for available commands. Unknown command list. I didn't think that was the thing. I'm not sure why I did that. Stop here per your rule. The README does show the dev server command as blah 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 blah. Oh, right, don't work around. Thankfully, I'll be able to just feed this back and clean it up. I can't find my home keys here. Go for it. Oops. I yelled at it. It's going to be angry. The app is configured for SQLite at storage Waaseyaa.SQLite. It's a pretty rough start. It's not accepting connections yet, so I'm reading the stock dev script output. Git bash could not find PHP. Way out of my normal tool set here, which is a good thing. I get to see what will happen elsewhere. There, that took too long though, way too long. Now I'm gonna release this video anyway and show the pain and then the triumph later in the next video. I hope you enjoyed watching that very long process as little as I did. Thank you.